god, I love this book. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Alright, y'all, so freeze frame real quick. I had a book and I was pretending to read it, so that's why I'm like, and near the end I storm off because I was pretending that I was mad at the book, I guess. Because I wasn't just gonna sit there and moan. I was pretending like I was enjoying the book, like, a lot. And also, the recording isn't the best because Javen was getting scared because there was a little worker behind him. And also, he was laughing because I was moaning really loud. And also, you can't hear it on the recording, but when I zoomed in on that lady, she actually told me to shut up. She's like, dude, can you shut up? That's how she said it. And it's not the best, but it was still pretty funny. Yeah. Bro. Good feet. Fuck. Bro. Damn it. Alright guys, so the footage, depending on how good it was, it may or may not make it inside the video, but we just went into Barnes & Noble and did some moaning sounds. So right now we're planning on going in Best Buy and getting a good old honk of the air horn. I'm not gonna do it right here for the sake of our ears, but we might go to some other stores and do some shit too, but right now we're just gonna go piss around, so we'll see what happens. To Best Buy we go. Bro, it smells like someone's fucking asshole out here. Jesus Christ. Hey, lady. This is dope. That's a cool PC, man. That's dope. What you looking at? For real? That's cool. I've never had a PC. This is crazy. I only have a PS4. I've been playing games on it and stuff. Like my air horn, I have it because my horn broke on my car, so like I got to use it in traffic, you know what I mean? I've been really horny lately, and it just, you know, it just helps me out. It's better. That's some cool stuff here, man. Crazy. Excuse me. You know, if you guys have the what should we call it? I forget. Hold up. My fault. Oh yeah, I think it's the Nintendo 69, I think. You know if you guys have that?
I don't usually work in the store.
Oh.
With a third party group.
Oh, okay.
I should be able to.
It's like I heard it was like the new Switch, kinda. Like the Nintendo Switch.
I know.
Is that the PS5?
Yeah,
They got any here?
I doubt it.
Yeah, no. Why are those things so hard to find?
Oh shit, dude. Everything is, yeah.
I'm looking for the new Nintendo 69.
69.
Y'all hear about that one?
Nope.
You didn't?
Nope.
The N69?
Nope.
They got like the new Mario Maker and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Like you can, like it's like Mario Maker, but like kind of like MILF Maker.
Yeah.
Like you
Oh, yeah.
make Peach like into MILF, you know? Like.
Sounds like my kind of game.
Yeah, really. I don't know if they dropped the console yet, but like I'm really looking forward to the N69.
Yeah, right.
Nintendo just needs to step their game up, I think. Really. They need to get some big mushrooms for the badonkadonks, man. Like, really. And to be honest, fuck Best Buy. right, y'all. So unfortunately, don't blame Javen. It's his first time being a cameraman. He's not a fucking professional cameraman. So, but whatchamacallit, I blew the air horn and so many people turned their fucking heads, and I'm probably not gonna keep the recording in, but cause like I was recording voice memos on my phone. That's why I had my phone out the whole time and I had it close to my face. I was trying not to make it like obvious, but Javen was recording from a distance, and I had like my phone recording on my recording my voice, because you know we don't have line-in mics or whatever. And so basically I blew it and everybody fucking turned their head scared because there was a worker by him. So he kind of threw the camera down, like he moved the camera, so you didn't really see anyone's reaction. He got me blowing it on video though, but it was funny. There was this old dude outside, or like right sitting by the store, like by the exit. He said, "Damn, that guy's horny." And I said, "Yeah, I'm very horny." But we didn't get the video for it, so I could keep the audio in there, but I might, who knows. But anyways, we're gonna go see what happens now. Did you look up if it was illegal? We're seeing if it's illegal to blow an air horn in public. I'm probably gonna ask people more stupid questions like the N69 one. Those two dudes were cool though. They were cool. It was funny. I was like, the N69. They were like, yeah, N69. And I was like, yeah, man, I'm you know, like they got that new Mario Maker. Like they need to make it like MILF Maker. I was like, they need to get those 1-up mushrooms for the badonkadonks. It was funny though. But like, yeah, I'm probably gonna do more stupid shit like that. I felt bad for the one lady where I said the N69, the first lady I said it to. She was clueless. I thought once I said 69, she was gonna look at me like, dude, shut up, get out. But she looked at me, she's like, she went on her phone. She went on the app and started to look up N69. So that's why I switched. I was like, I think it's like the new Switch. And she was like, yeah, the OLED new Switch. I'm like, yeah, new Switch. Cause I don't know, I felt bad. I felt like an asshole. But like, I don't know.
Yeah, it's funny as fuck.
We're gonna go do some more shit though. Mobbing on like almost a quarter gas right now, so you know, times are hard. It's okay though. We're gonna find some public disturbances to commit. I'll get back with y'all though.
I'm in the zoo with the lions and apes and bears. You probably won't make it there. One of the options, they say they want smoke with me. You don't want to take it there. And these niggas be hating this shit.
Daddy? Oh well. We just won't blow the air horn as much. We can just say stupid shit to people. Daddy? You didn't stick it in fucking my ears now.
I know, dude.
That's why I stick it out the window.
Imagine-
Hey, Daddy. Fuck! Hey, high five.
You're a fucking idiot.
What a bitch.
Can I get a drink? Hey, can I get a drink?
Can I get a sip?
Is that Fanta?
Is that orange cream soda?
Is that orange cream soda?
High five. High five.
Come on. Yes. Beautiful morning. You're the sun of my morning, babe.
She was like, what?
She's like, what the fuck? You guys wanna fuck? You know, that one guy looked.